If you would like to know what this channel is about and if it is for you, continue watching. Hi, my name is Odeta Barauskytė and I'm a data analyst and a coach. Throughout the years, I worked in many different areas, for example, data piracy, automotive, financial sectors, and online marketing, but always as a data analyst and a coach. And therefore, throughout the years, I gathered a lot of knowledge and I decided to share it with a wider audience through YouTube. In this channel, I will be focusing on data extraction, visualization, and analysis. So, for example, if you would like to get data from databases, you have to know SQL language, and I will help you with that, and you won't need to wait for other IT employee to gather it for you, so it will save you time. And of course, no matter if you are a beginner or already a data analyst, I will show you how to visualize your data and analyze it with Power BI. So if you are interested at least at some part of data analyst work or know who would be, subscribe to this channel, share it with a friend, and comment below if you would like that I would cover some particular topic. And of course, you can reach me on Instagram and Facebook at Analytics Simplified.